Missy Huff.
And I'm John Haynes, and we're Haynes Huff Properties. And today we're in Mountlake Terrace at our favorite butcher.
Double D's. We come here on a weekly basis to get our groceries, and it just happens to be really close to our newest listing this week. So we're gonna run inside and grab a few things, and then we'll meet you back over at our listing.
Well, now that we got our meats.
Yes, we do. We've got our trip to the butcher out of the way in Mountlake Terrace, and now let's go take a look at this newest listing.
Hey, what are you doing? We're supposed to be changing the light bulbs.
Oh, sorry, I got carried away out here just relaxing. So if you're looking for a stylish home in a great neighborhood.
And that's close to a butcher with lots of meats.
Yes, or any home in the Puget Sound, give us a call.